From its humble beginnings as a sporty little coupe in the late 90s to its transformation into a cutting-edge crossover, the Ford Puma has evolved dramatically, and now the 2025 Ford Puma takes things to a whole new level. Today we're diving into the history of the Puma and taking an in-depth look at the latest model's stunning design, advanced interior, and powerful engine. If you're a fan of innovative automotive design, this video is for you. The Ford Puma first hit the streets in 1997 as a small, sporty coupe. It was known for its sharp handling and peppy performance, quickly gaining a loyal following among driving enthusiasts. The original Puma was built on the Ford Fiesta platform and was powered by a range of small but lively engines, making it a fun and affordable entry into the world of sports cars. Fast forward to 2019 and the Puma was reimagined as a subcompact crossover. This new incarnation of the Puma embraced the growing trend for small SUVs while still retaining some of the sporty characteristics that made the original so popular. The second-generation Puma was praised for its stylish design, advanced technology, and impressive practicality. Now in 2025, the Ford Puma is back, and it's bolder and more futuristic than ever before. It perfectly blends its sporty heritage with modern design and technology. The 2025 Ford Puma presents a striking front-end design that immediately catches the eye. The grille is more pronounced with a mesh pattern that gives it a sophisticated yet aggressive look. The LED headlights are sleek and angular, seamlessly integrating into the front fascia. These headlights feature dynamic light sequences that add a sense of motion, even when the vehicle is stationary. The lower bumper is sculpted with precision, featuring aerodynamic lines that not only enhance the car's visual appeal, but also improve its performance. Moving to the side, the 2025 Puma continues to impress with its coupe-like silhouette. The sloping roofline gives the car a sporty profile, while the bold character lines add a sense of dynamism. The large black alloy wheels are a standout feature, contributing to the vehicle's athletic stance. The doors are frameless, a nod to the Puma's sporty roots, and the side mirrors are sleek, almost disappearing into the overall design. At the rear, the Puma combines elegance with sportiness. The taillights are thin, sharp, and wrap around the sides of the car, creating a seamless flow. The rear bumper is robust, with integrated exhaust outlets that highlight the car's performance potential. The rear spoiler is subtle yet functional, contributing to the vehicle's aerodynamic efficiency. The Puma badge is prominently displayed, with the Ford logo sitting proudly above it. Inside, the 2025 Ford Puma is a tech lover's dream. The cabin is dominated by a large, high-resolution touchscreen that controls everything from navigation to climate settings. The digital instrument cluster is fully customizable, allowing drivers to choose the information that's most important to them. High-quality materials are used throughout, with soft-touch surfaces and premium leather seats that offer both comfort and support. The latest Puma also features Ford's Sync 5 infotainment system, which includes voice recognition, smartphone integration, and an advanced sound system that delivers crisp, clear audio. Under the hood, the 2025 Ford Puma doesn't disappoint. It is powered by a new generation of hybrid engines that combine performance with efficiency. The base model features a 1.5-liter EcoBoost engine paired with an electric motor, delivering a combined output of around 200 horsepower. This setup offers brisk acceleration and smooth power delivery, making it perfect for both city driving and highway cruising. For those who crave more power, there's also a performance-oriented ST version that ramps up the excitement. This variant comes with a more powerful 2.0-liter turbocharged engine, delivering over 300 horsepower, making it a true thrill to drive. The 2025 Ford Puma is a masterclass in blending sporty heritage with modern innovation. Whether you're drawn to its stunning design, advanced interior, or powerful engine options, this car has something to offer everyone. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the Puma's evolution and its latest features, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with fellow car enthusiasts. Until next time, drive safe and stay curious.